My name is Tony Chirchirillo. I'm the CEO of Chirch Global Manufacturing in Cary, Illinois, and the founder of the Chirch Global Manufacturing Network. Our core competency here at Chirch Global Manufacturing is metal components, metal stampings, and metal fabrications. What we've done recently, and we've been recognized as Manufacturer of the Year for this approach, is we've partnered with companies who have deep specialties in manufacturing that are complementary to what we do. And by pooling ourselves together with really the focus being on the customer and what manufacturing solutions they're looking for, as opposed to our individual core competencies, we've really transformed the way we go to market.
One of the main challenges that we face, which is the same with really any type of company, regardless of the industry or size, is communication. And we've really used Epicor to help improve our communication to be able to react to the market demand changes or our customer needs. Previously, we were quoting with Epicor, or quoting our jobs or new jobs or upcoming projects outside of Epicor Express. The problem with that is that you're really double doing your work. By the time that you get the order and you start to run it, you now have to re-enter all of the data that they did during the quote process. So we've been able to react much quicker by using the entire Epicor Express module, everything from RFQ entry to cash receipt entry.
The core reason why we selected Epicor is its roots were in manufacturing. Whereas some of the other systems we looked at started with a cloud platform and then moved into manufacturing, Epicor started with a very robust, strong, particularly in the costing modules, manufacturing system, and moved it to a cloud platform. So it's inspired us from the standpoint of now we could do what we want to do. We can, we're in business to make product for customers, not to worry about how to patch a system or how to change code.
The other side of it that we really weren't expecting, but once you have it at your fingertips to use and to play with from the cloud side of it, is to be able to get in and access information and make changes without physically being here. And what I was able to do in Florida was able to actually go into our production schedule, and with that in conjunction with the checks and balance, was able to see that raw material that for a hot customer was not delivered yet. So I was able to go in, figure out the purchase order number, call the supplier, was able to understand that it's about 3 days late. The job next in line, actually the material was on the floor, so I was able to change the production schedule around from Florida, and it reflected on the real time on the die maintenance and production schedule on our floor in Cary, Illinois. So that communication all happened within, I would say, a span of 10 minutes without a single phone call or a single conversation with anyone on the shop floor, but it was able to project what needs to be done and change priorities very quickly.
From my perspective, what Epicor has offered us is three things. One is to be untethered in a physical location so that our focus is on the customer as opposed to on our IT needs. That would be the first. The second would be from a growth standpoint, we no longer have to worry about can our information systems keep pace with us. It certainly can. Now we could keep using that focus, go out and grow our business so that we're not worrying about what's going on in the home front, we're worrying about how we're going to satisfy customer needs. And the third, I would say, is technology. Technology is constantly changing. And as a small to mid-sized manufacturer, it is very difficult, if not impossible, to keep up with the technological changes and advancements that are happening on a very regular basis. By partnering with Epicor, and I think the key word here is partner because we view them as a partner in our business, we don't have to worry about the technology piece because that's a given.
Epicor Express gives us a competitive edge because we're basically an extension of our customers. What I mean by that is that we're able to react to our customers' needs and we're able to give them feedback real time without any delay.
Think of how people use social media today, Facebook. There's a topic and a group of people will coalesce around that topic and then disperse, and maybe on another topic another group will get together. We need to do the same thing in business, and in fact that's what we're already doing with our network. If there's a manufacturing project, it may involve a subset of our network companies, but they need to be able to online and communicate and coalesce around that topic, and then of course there may be another project that involves another group of companies. So we see the social media aspects as it applies to business as core, is key to our growth in the future. And we're really excited about the new rollout of the Epicor social media component because it is exactly where we're going with our strategy.